Hey, it's Matt. Today we're talking about our spray applied waterproof membrane. This is a new home construction. We do this in the commercial and residential settings. We're one of very few companies in the Pacific Northwest that offer this solution to our clients. The beautiful thing about our spray applied waterproof membrane called Polyurea is that it is seamless and monolithic. It can be sprayed on a multitude of different substrates: plywood, concrete, steel, PVC. When we are on a job site like this, most of the time what we have is a deck that is made of plywood. The first step is we come onto the substrate, the deck, and we sand, we bondo, and we hang our flashing, and we prime. Once the primer's cured, we come back and we spray the Polyurea. It is a two-component spray applied system. Part A, Part B stay completely independent of one another until the applicator pulls the trigger. At that point, it atomizes in the tip, sending the product to the floor, and it begins to heat up and cure instantly. And then we come back and we put the texture on the deck. That gives it its anti-slip characteristics that's needed on a monolithic surface like this. We're walking on this product within 5 minutes. One of the most important details about deck waterproofing, the wall to deck joint. If we're doing a seamless waterproof deck, you gotta take care of the most important seam, the one that's in contact with your house. So we go up the wall 4 to 6 inches, depending upon what kind of room we have. And then a belly band's going back over the top of it. The other important part of deck waterproofing is any and all penetrations that go through the deck. There's gonna be a downspout that's gonna come down and come into this. Obviously, that's what this is for. This is PVC. So this Polyurea can actually go from the plywood and then on to the PVC. Polyurea cannot stand treated material. So it's awesome because this is getting furred out and covered with whatever they decide to, but we actually take a tape and place it around the exterior of the base so that we make sure we get a good waterproof seal where this joint is. So that's what we do every time when we see anything like this in this waterproof application. Obviously, you can see a parapet wall running around the exterior of this side. Water's gonna collect against the wall. Even with the waterproof membrane here, not the greatest idea. So what we wanted to do is have the general contractor put a bonderized metal pre-sloped trench drain into the deck structure. The Polyurea wraps down and over plywood here again, and then into the bonderized metal. Seamless monolithically, absolutely zero adhesion issues between dissimilar materials, and we're done. The main benefits of the product, Polyurea, are it really moves well with the substrate. I talk about coefficient of elongation. How far does it move without failure? Plus minus 450%. So you're not gonna have breaks at seams. It's 100% solids, zero VOCs, no volatile organic compounds. It's easily cleanable. You can spray it down with most anything. We like using degreaser. We like using Dawn detergent. You are not gonna damage this substrate whatsoever. It'll last you for a very long time. Just clean it like you would anything.